On the question of the murder of Dr. Michael KYALO MBOBU, this is a very sad thing that has happened in our country. It is akin to what happened also to Honorable Ngondo Were. I feel very sad because, as you may want to know, Mr. Mbobu was my teacher and my friend, and we, apart from that, the fact that he taught me, we also worked together. So it's a very sad thing to see him being killed in such a very heinous manner. It's a terrible thing that happened in our country, that someone assassinated or killed a very prominent, hard-working citizen of this republic, who was going about his business peacefully. We do not know the motive yet. So I start by saying my condolences to the family of Dr. KYALO MBOBU. He was a wonderful man. He was, I can say, one of my best teachers. Anybody who studied evidence at the University of Nairobi School of Law remembers his diligence, commitment, hard work, and clarity of mind. Very eloquent, very knowledgeable, and has left a big legacy in our country, particularly in the legal profession. His book on evidence and his research and works on the field of law shall always be remembered in this country for many, many years. I feel very sad, by the way, about that incident, and I am very interested in knowing what exactly happened in this situation, just like many Kenyans are, but also I am in a position of responsibility, and we have been in touch with the DCI, and I am happy to note that there is some progress that has been made. Some persons of interest have been identified, that those persons of interest are being interrogated, and many others are going to be sought. I pray that the DCI is going to be successful. We thank the eyewitnesses who have already come out, who are in the scene, and many other Kenyans of goodwill who are giving information to the DCI. I encourage more Kenyans to come forward and assist in the process. Anybody who knew anything that is related to this very heinous act to come out, because it is in the interest of us in the security sector, and the people of Kenya, that the truth comes out and we get to know exactly what happened in this situation. And I am very optimistic that in a very short while we will have very good leads as far as this issue is concerned. I just want to say that it is not in our interest to only resolve cases that are involving prominent persons or persons who are known to us, or persons who are our friends, or who are holding high office. That this is the same speed that must be applied in every case, including the chief who was murdered, assistant chief who was murdered in this county. When such cases of crime happen, we want to see that the DCI moves with speed to unravel the mystery behind such acts. So from my office, from myself as a person, I continue extending my condolences to his family, and I promise that we will do everything to make sure that justice is served and that the perpetrators are arrested and brought before the court of law. I am happy that all resources are being expended to make sure that this issue is resolved. On the question of gangs, I must say that gangs are not, as I said last week, any gangs anyway is a threat to national security. So we will do everything. We will do law enforcement, but also we must do sensitization to the members of public to make sure that they understand the dangers of supporting supporting goons who can easily graduate to become gangs. And that issue is being dealt with, as I said. Operation work and plans are ongoing in different places where gangs have operated before. As we go towards elections, many political leaders will be tempted to hire goons to provide security to them or to walk around, intimidate their opponents. We want to ask them to resist that temptation because the consequences might be too dire for you to survive. We are making progress, but we can do better. That is what exactly we can say about gangs. I don't know what else you asked. Our county askaris have no... Any Kenyan, any citizen can arrest anybody. I hope you know that. Even you can arrest anybody. But the question of using handcuffs, you don't have that power. That's only for police officers. And that issue must be communicated accordingly to the county askaris and enforcement officers. They can always seek the support of the county security team so that police officers are deployed to assist where they think that the enforcement presence of police officers is needed to arrest suspects. But, you know, that is an issue that can easily be resolved between the county government and the county security team. Another person.
Yes, one more person.
My name is Lydia. Na tumekuwa na tatizo la usalama katika eneo la Kehancha Kubia. Vijana wadogo wanauawa na watu wasiojulikana. So tungependa kujua mikakati ambayo umeweka ili kuhakikisha kwamba usalama umerudi katika eneo hili.
Okay, and then one more person?
Yes.
Yes, yourself, and then the last one.
So, my name is Frederick Akoko from Radio Honor. You've talked about the issue of fishermen. Are you aware that border patrol police officers do not have patrol boats along the lakes?
Yes.
And please conclude by the issue of Migingo. Migingo issue has been a problem year in, year out. What do you intend to do that the matter is solved once and for all?
Let me start by the question of killing of young people. Again, we have asked the DCI to make sure that all cases of murder are explained and investigations done and suspects brought before court. Because if you want to know where the problem is, you first have to deal from where where it has occurred. And investigations must be done. We have asked the DCI if he needs more support from the headquarters. We are willing to find resources to support to carry out those investigations. Police also have been encouraged to do more patrols in areas that are seen that you have criminals, roaming around. Some areas like you have asked in the urban areas like Kehancha, it is necessary that issue is dealt with.